Hi, Cohort A. Today you're going to be working on something called the Nova Polar Lab, looking at the data from the polar extremes through videos, games, and science problems to answer major questions about Earth's climate. So we started looking at paleoclimate data, and this activity will draw in some of that paleoclimate data while introducing you to topics such as glaciers and what is happening at the poles, which will be what we talk about next. So the instructions are here with some images of what to click, but I'm gonna go through this one by one. And just so you know, as you go on, don't try and skip over the videos. It won't allow it. You have to watch all the videos and they will help you with your mission. You'll be completing 3 missions. And these questions here are the questions from the mission notebook. So you'll just pull the answers from the mission notebook on your online lab. So you're going to click this to get to PBS Nova Polar Lab. Then you'll click Launch. And here you can either create a login or you can scroll down and click Play Game. And if you want to save your progress as you go, you have to sign in with either Facebook, Google, or create a PBS account. If you do not sign in with one of these, you won't be able to leave the screen and come back to it. There are 3 missions. It should take you the full hour and a half. And so you might want to sign in with one of these in case you decide to walk away or work on it later. So for me, this pops up automatically because I have done it before. But for you, you might have a little red flag that comes up here and it won't allow you to pop up. Over in this corner, you'll click that little red flag. It'll drop down something like this, and you'll have to click allow to allow this computer game, your computer to access this game. If you have trouble with that, send me an email. I'll try and check it as frequently as I can. So you'll here enter the lab.
You've probably heard something big is happening to our planet. Its climate is changing. There's a lot happening in the virus. The virus is compared to its before. It turns out that virus active and the Antarctic have quite a bit to tell us. What does all this next talk about the world? Are clues about our planet and its climate, where it's been, what's happening now, and where we might be headed. Welcome to the Nova Polar Lab. I'm Caitlin at Polar Lab headquarters, and you're going on quite the journey. We've assembled a team of the best, top-notch scientists to guide you on your expedition. I'll be by your side, and we're all here to help. But it'll be up to you to find the clues and piece them together to answer some pretty big questions. Work your way from pole to pole, hopping from massive glaciers and frozen tundra to world-renowned laboratories. Watch videos, play games, solve puzzles, and own stickers. Collect enough, and you'll unlock extra goodies. And keep track of your quests here in your field notebook. Play the Polar Lab and be part of the team racing to understand our planet.
All right, so here you'll come to this area here, and you can see that you have all of these little pings all over the world here. And so our first one is the new mission, and you can see if you wave your mouse over it, it'll become something you can click. All of these others are future missions that you'll have to solve. So if you click it, it'll open right up, and it has a few different events at it. You'll click explore, and then I believe Caitlin pops up again and explains she'll pop up again and she'll explain your information and what you need to do. So you'll go through each of these and solve the puzzles. So we have our field notebook here, and this is where you'll keep track of your information. And this is also where you'll get your answers to your questions to answer on your actual lab worksheet. If you have any questions, send me an email. Have fun.